Since 2020, global supply chain has built strong foundations and become one of Imperial's key strategic enablers. As we embark on our new strategy, we must remember a simple truth. Our success begins and ends with the consumer. Every forecast we build, every product we manufacture, and every shipment we deliver should be viewed through the lens of consumer impact. When we start with the consumer, we align our global supply chain around what matters most, delivering value, quality, and availability in a way that drives sustainable growth. As we look to Strategy 2030, our focus is clear: to deliver with greater consistency, efficiency, and agility in an increasingly challenging environment. This is how Strategy 2030 comes to life across global supply chain. We begin with the group strategy, translate it into GSC ambitions and roadmaps, and embed these into functional, site, and departmental priorities. Before we jump into our Strategy 2030 contribution, let's take a look at how far we have come. Since 2020, we have evolved from a fragmented manufacturing organization into a fully integrated global supply chain focused on value creation at scale. Looking ahead, our direction is Supply Chain 4.0, where decisions are powered by real-time insights and execution becomes increasingly seamless end-to-end. Strategy 2030 defines our ambition for GSC, a global supply chain that performs with excellence today whilst transforming for tomorrow. To achieve this, we have defined a set of priorities and activities, each supported by clear ambitions and actionable roadmaps. Our two strategic pillars, covering combustibles and NGP, focus on key areas including quality, service, cost of goods, and partnership strategies. These pillars are underpinned by a set of strategic enablers that span areas such as value engineering and working capital to our people and compliance. Together, these create a clear framework for execution across GSC. The strategy wheel defines what we need to deliver across global supply chain. This pyramid shows how we prioritize these ambitions to ensure we build from strong foundations, develop the right capabilities, and deliver sustainable value. At the foundation is license to operate, the non-negotiables that ensure we operate safely, responsibly, and resiliently. Above that is people and culture, building the capabilities, leadership, and accountability needed to perform and transform. Together, these enable value creation at the top, delivering stronger service, greater efficiency, and improved cash generation. In simple terms, strong foundations, empowered people, and sustainable results. This hierarchy is brought to life through our specific ambitions. In value creation, we are focused on three measurable outcomes: 100% consumer centricity, flat cost of goods, and £1 billion in cash by 2030. In people and culture, our ambition is to build a high-performance organization enabled by technology, guided by data, and structured by process. And at the foundation, license to operate is captured in one simple principle: zero starts with us. Safety first, quality always, compliance without compromise, and resilience every day. Together, these ambitions define the outcomes we will deliver by 2030. Let's now look at the roadmaps and focus areas that bring our strategy to life. Each roadmap translates our priorities into clear actions and measurable outcomes aligned to Strategy 2030. People and planet is a critical part of our license to operate. We are embedding a safer, more inclusive and sustainable supply chain by strengthening health and safety, improving energy and water efficiency, reducing waste, and advancing responsible sourcing and human rights priorities. Together, these actions reinforce trust and support long-term performance. Quality underpins consumer trust and brand reputation. Our focus is on creating a prevention-led, end-to-end quality system that reduces risk across the value chain. We are shifting quality from detection to prevention by embedding quality into product design, extending quality across our suppliers, leaf and logistics networks, strengthening manufacturing performance, and proactively managing consumer and market quality, all enabled by one global quality management system and a strong quality culture. Compliance is fundamental to operating responsibly across all markets. We are embedding consistent standards and behaviors across the organization. This includes standardizing approaches, preparing for future regulations, and improving financial controls and transparency to reduce risk and strengthen our compliance model. Resilience protects our people, assets, and operations. We are strengthening cybersecurity, assessing operational risks, and embedding business continuity and crisis management across all sites so that we can respond quickly and recover effectively from disruption. Together, these actions create a more resilient supply chain. We cannot deliver our strategy without our people. They are the driving force behind every value-creating action and every fundamental that underpins our success. People and culture sits at the heart of both performance today and transformation for tomorrow. We are building a high-performance culture where talent can grow, leaders can inspire, and teams can thrive. By combining people, processes, technology, and data, we enable smarter decisions, greater agility, and stronger results, today and into the future. Growth depends on how effectively we deliver service and execute across the end-to-end supply chain. Our focus is on service and category execution excellence through stronger collaboration, robust planning, and advanced systems. This supports more reliable service, stronger execution, and sustainable growth across markets and categories. Efficiency is critical to protecting margins and competitiveness. We are creating a leaner, more cost-competitive supply chain through operational excellence, network optimization, and stronger spend discipline. Improvements in logistics, supplier partnerships, and digital visibility are helping create a more scalable and efficient operation. Cash generation is a key enabler of Strategy 2030. We are unlocking stronger cash flow through disciplined execution, planning excellence, and cross-functional collaboration. By optimizing inventory, improving lead times, and focusing investment on priority assets and utilization, we are improving visibility, releasing capital, and strengthening our ability to fund future growth. This is where everything comes together. License to operate, people and culture and value creation work as one connected system to deliver GSC's contribution to Strategy 2030. We are building a stronger, more agile and future-ready organization, one that is empowered to succeed. Together, we are driving the next evolution of global supply chain.